As you see the gymnast rotate over, my backhand will change and come onto their back to help them with a safe landing. So the same support around the core, lifting the hips. The backhand then changes to catch the gymnast at the end. Okay, so leading on from the takeoff positions, we're now going to connect the standing back flip into the takeoff position for the round off flick tuck back. So the gymnast is going to perform a back flip with support, and then the same takeoff position as we used previously on the springboard to make sure they're setting properly at the right angle, keeping their head in so they have vision of the floor when they land the tuck back. Okay, so exactly the same, ribs in. Okay, so moving on now, we're going to connect the back flip into a stretch jump and then connecting the tuck back position at the end, at the top of the jump. Most importantly, we want to feel the set, the somersault should happen at the top of the jump, not leaning backwards. So we're going to look at where our head position is, where our hips are, to get that lovely vertical takeoff for the highest tuck back we can do. Okay, so ribs in. Okay, and moving forwards into one of our final progressions now, we're going to connect the standing back flip into the tuck back somersault to land on a soft safety mat. So we're going to support the gymnast in the same way as we've done in previous videos with the back flip with the hands on the belly and back, and the same way with the tuck back as we showed off the springboard. Okay, so looking at developing the round off flick tuck back, we want the gymnast to be able to take off in the right position to land on the safety mat. So how we do this is we ask the gymnast to take a step forwards in front of the mat, and then they're going to perform their round off back flip away from the mat to give them their starting point so they can go into the correct position to land on the safety mat for their tuck back. Okay. Okay, so moving on to the final progression, we're going to do the round off flick tuck back all connected together on the floor. Again, we're going to use the safety mats to make sure the gymnasts have a nice soft, safe landing. Once they've done that again and the skill is consolidated and they can do it on their own, many